Hi, my name is Charles Smith, and I will be talking about the assessment I did, and it was called Putting It All Together, and the basis of this assessment was to judge organizational communication skills. And the results I got from this assessment, after looking at my answers and how I graded myself, is that if I'm directly involved in the communication, then I do very well of relaying the communication to other workers and other people inside the organization. But if the information is relayed to me by a third party or by secondhand information, then I have a hard time carrying out that task that the information was about. But one thing I did find myself very good at is throughout this assessment, realizing how to analyze information and come up with a solution for a certain task or a certain project. Some of my strong points I would have to say was it talked about values and ethics and distinguishing your values and ethics when it comes to making a decision. I think I was very good at that, and I think that's because the organization I work for, they push values and ethics. They're a very fair organization. They like to help people, and that's one of the things that the owners preach to us when we have meetings and discussions. One thing that I'm not too good at is not like being in charge, and I think that's because I've learned a lot from the company I work for, and I'm the one that's been there the longest out of the people that I work with. So I try to like always take the lead, and that's not good. So I'll definitely work on that. Um, Another thing, determining how individual experience life and help them with their work. Um, I think everybody could become more relatable to what people go through, to why they work the certain ways they do, and I think that's something I will try to work on. I was very good at understanding and defining circumstances, as when that's what I talked about for chapter 1 and 2 of my writing assignment. That a circumstance that came up that we had to move quickly, move effectively. I was very good at understanding what my boss wanted, what we had to do in the little amount of time we had. So I feel like I'm really good at that. And this assessment allowed me to realize that even things I thought I was good at, I'm really not, and I need to work on that. And also things that I thought I struggled at, I'm actually better after thinking about it and analyzing it than I actually am. And that's my video blog for this week.